We are going to be making some yummy chocolate dipped marshmallows, and I'm going to be showing you just how easy it is. I've got most of the supplies here that we're going to be using laid out. We're going to be using some parchment paper and a baking sheet. Of course, our marshmallows, and we're using the bigger marshmallows. Our dipping chocolate, we've got dark chocolate and peppermint, as well as some fun sprinkles to put on top. And then microwave safe bowls, some forks, a rubber spatula, and we're going to be using our microwave as well. I'm going to start by lining my baking sheet with some parchment paper, and then I'm going to set that aside. We're going to start by melting our peppermint chocolates, and I'm just going to put those into my bowl. And according to the package directions, we microwave at 50% power on defrost setting for 1 minute, and then we take it out and we stir. And then we return to microwave for 30-second intervals, stirring in between until candy is melted. And we don't want to overcook this, so we're gonna keep a close eye on it. So this was in for a total of 2.5 minutes. So I did the first minute and then 3 additional intervals of 30 seconds, and that looks really good. It is nice and melted. And now we're ready to dip. Now, if you are making this treat for friends or neighbors or people outside of your family, I do suggest wearing food safe gloves. You never want to touch other people's food, but I am just making this for my family, so I am just going to use my fingers. So I'm going to take a marshmallow, and I can use my forks here to just really roll it in there. And then I want to get off a lot of that excess because I don't want to have a lot of pooling underneath the marshmallow. I'm just going to put that onto our sheet. And we're just going to keep dipping. And I'm actually going to put a couple in at a time. And I'm just going to fill my entire sheet with my chocolate covered marshmallows. We are going to be double dipping these into some dark chocolate next. So we really want this chocolate to set up good before we dip again. So I'm going to throw this in the fridge for just a minute. I've melted my dark chocolate, and now we can start dipping into the dark chocolate. Now I'm going to do these a couple different ways. I'm going to do some completely coated, and then some I'm just going to do half. And then I've also got my sprinkles so that I can sprinkle some fun sprinkles on those as well. We have finished our marshmallows, and they look so yummy. I can't wait to eat them. Don't they look delicious? And they're so cute and festive for the holidays. But really, you could make these for any occasion with different flavors, different sprinkles, and they are a perfect little party treat. If you want more fun craft tutorials, make sure to check out my website, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye, and happy crafting.